What's up, guys? All right, guys. Good day to you all. Trust you. Okay. Uh, Here we are today. I'm just trying to make it. So it's a slant slide. Okay. But in today's tutorial, we actually want to look at how to uh, work with video robots. Okay, and how to create stunning animations with video robots. But before I do that, I actually want to make sure this place is so wide enough. But nevertheless, probably I will just leave it like this and try to make sure you guys come online. Okay, I guess for my settings here, my camera is set to the other view. Okay, so all right. Probably don't even know why the camera is like this. I don't really like it. Somehow slanty, and my face is looking somehow. Okay, so I need to off the camera, but you guys can actually listen to my voice and we have a good time together. All right. So if you are online with me, kindly signify so that we can have the class. Okay, and also let me send message to the group chat that we are online so that they can all join the group. Okay, okay, I'm online. I'm online now. Join me. So today's tutorial is all about how to create animations without a software. In my previous tutorial, I actually give an intro and a little bit details on how to make use of it. Okay, so today I'll be explaining in details. Okay, but depending on the number of viewers I have for today's live event. All right, so still waiting for you guys to come online. And the reason why I'm using a slant view is because of I'm making use we could make use of any uh, device. Okay, be it your phone, be it your laptop. You can use any device uh, to do this. Okay, you can use any device to do this. So just waiting for you guys. Okay, I'm online. I'm online. All right, so if this is your first time of coming across my channel, please kindly signify as newcomer. Okay, all right, in the next 5 minutes, probably just give my viewers next 5 minutes I commence the tutorial. Okay, so in my previous video I explained uh, how to create animations with any device. Okay, so today I'm also online right away. So sorry I had to come late. I'm about 20 minutes of the stated time. Okay, but nevertheless I hope I'll meet up with you guys, and I'm very sure I'll surely meet up with you guys. Okay, so once it's 5 on dot, I will commence the tutorial. And if you join me, you can as well ask any question, and I'll feel free to ask me any question. I'll do my possible best to answer those questions. Okay, So all you need is a web browser to create uh, videos, stunning videos like this one. I will show you in a seconds. Okay, very soon. Okay, something like let me see, something very interesting. Trying to see. Okay, let me see. No, that's in the. Okay, I hope I didn't cancel it. So are you guys online with me? All right, one person is online. So just let me know your name. Okay, is that Ijoma online with me? So for my new viewers, I said, I have a video like this. Probably you want to learn how to create this type
Many
of
projects
video.
fail because they are not appropriate.
Okay, so if you want to create this type of video, I will just play it about probably few seconds, then we commence the tutorial for today. All right.
Managed. This video will give you an overview of project management for your small business. Project management enables small businesses to execute projects effectively and efficiently. As a result, small businesses can achieve their project goals on time and within budget, despite fewer resources than large organizations.
All right, guys. So that is it. Now, back to, so if you actually want to learn how to do this, okay, then this tutorial is for you. Like I said, from the title of the video, you don't need to have any software. All right, all it require is a web browser. Okay, so I'll be using Google Chrome as recommended by the software. Okay, as recommended by the software, and that is why you see me using my phone. Like I said, you can use any brand. Either you use your phone, you use your laptop, you use any device that could connect to the internet. You can use anyone. Okay, so let's get started. So the title or the link to that site is called VideoRobot. Okay, VideoRobot. So once you input VideoRobots, perhaps I'll just use VideoRobots login. Once you click on it, VideoRobot, it will take you to the VideoRobot web page where you can sign in as a new user. Okay, and concerning about new users, I will talk on that, okay, very soon. But just trying to log in into my personal account, into a group account that was created with between me and my colleagues. All right, so all right, so I did not want to show you my login details. So that's just the reason why I had to use the one I've entered before. Okay, so immediately you log in like into video robots from here. Okay, it is not a free application. All right, it's not a free application. You need to purchase it before you can use their software. Okay, you need to purchase before you can use their software. And how do you purchase it? Well, this is what we did from our group. We created a we joined hands to purchase the software. All right, so at that stage, when we join hands to purchase software, we have maximum, as at now I'm talking to you, we have about two different groups that have the license. Okay, the first group is people of 5, where they actually contributed money to buy that software, and while the second group are a group of 10, where they also contributed money to buy the software. Also, the third group is also available for users that actually want to use the software as well. Okay, so let's get started. Now today you notice I'm using my phone. Yes, the last tutorial I made use of my system, but today I'm using my phone, so to show you that you can create the stunning animations using either your system or your phone, anyone. All right, so I had a question from my group members, those who they, we actually had a a group chat, okay, where we had one or two uh, comments about video robots. Okay, so the question was, in a moment please, the question was, how can I change the background of a video? Okay, like you could see from this comment, it says remove background pictures and use some. Okay, not this, but the question was, how can I change the background in video robots? Okay, okay, so this is Ijoma. She said, uh okay, I'm coming. Even I tried to add a video, if you can see it, even I tried to add a video to the background, but it's not importing. All right, now I will show you how to fix this. Probably you are not doing it the right way it should be done. Okay, so at Ijoma, I'll like, that is your question first, and I think someone else also asked that question about importing your videos into your background videos or image into video robots. But nevertheless, I will show you how that is done. Okay, so if there's any other question from this group where we are, okay, then you could as well please ask the question, then I will do my possible best to reply you. All right, so let's proceed. Now once you're on video robots with your login details, like I said, if you want to join the group, please kindly shout me up. I'll leave a link to join my femtech studio, so you could add you up to the group whereby other creators are waiting for you, so that you can purchase the license and you have you have the license to create videos and many more yourself and make money on it. Okay, so first and foremost, we start with the create video. So you just select on this, okay, to create a video. All right, so once you select create video, if you are using a PC, you have this view at one time, but since I'm using a phone, so that's why it is viewing like this. But nevertheless, all is still the same. Now listen up. So from here we have what we call the 3D avatar template. Take note of this. This is called what? Templates. Okay, and what is template? Templates are pre-designed avatars, pre-designed something that has been designed that you can actually change some things, but in easily. Okay, that you can actually change some things easily. Not that you cannot change, but you can change some things easily. All right, it has been fixed in terms of the duration of the videos in the avatar template. If it is 30 seconds, you can increase it, but you can still do other things. All right, so what I always prefer to do is to start from scratch. Okay, and starting from scratch leads to me using, oh, some videos. Thanks for coming, I really appreciate. Okay, some videos, are you interested, or have you heard about video robots, and will you love to make use of video robots to increase uh, your income? Okay, So let me know your thoughts on that. All right. So like I was saying, we make use of blank canvas, okay, to create anything from scratch. And for the fact that we now have the license as a video enterprise, then it simply means you can create videos using uh, this blank canvas for about 6 minutes. But for the templates, there are some videos created for about 30 seconds, which you can't change. Okay, so Ijoma, probably you selected this, you selected the 3D avatar templates, or you selected kinetic animation templates. Okay, so these are templates which you have to just use what you've created. All right, so which I don't uh, use that. I don't like that. Okay, I prefer starting from the scratch since I have all what I need to use. Okay, so what I need to do, just select on blank canvas, then next thing, select next. Okay, I hope you can see this. Select next. Okay, so once you select next, so immediately it's moved to step 2. It's moved to it's moved to step 2, as you can see. Now it was in step 1, but now it's in step 2. So in the step 2, now it will ask you to add the avatars you actually want to use. Okay, so I'm coming. Choose an actor. Why is it authentication failed? Okay, probably let me refresh it. Let me refresh. Okay, so for now I have to input my login details, so I have to make it blank for now. Okay, by pausing it, but once I'm logged in again, I will enable it back again. All right, so just to pause it for now, but I will join you very soon back. All right, now that we are there back again, so probably because I waited so much on the site, that's the reason why. Like I said, select create video. So I've explained this, so you can see still in step 1, then select blank canvas, then select next step. So once you do that, you will have varieties of actors. Okay, varieties of actors to use depending on what video you are creating for a client. Okay, you use the actor based on what you want to use. Okay, based on the video, you notice I was talking the video I showed you earlier enough was talking about a project, so I have to use someone that is suited up, that is suited up for a business. Okay, you can as well change it from male to female just by selecting this icon. You can also select all this. All right, okay, likewise using green screen, that is select picking a video, importing the video, and so on and so forth. But for now, let's see how to change the background. Okay, so let's say I select uh, this character, probably this guy. Okay, then move up and select next. You can as well look at his preview and see if you like him. Okay, all right, so then probably it's not too bad, it's okay, then select next. Okay, now by selecting next, the next thing to do is it says at this junction, it says choose a voice and music video and music. Okay, so at this point is where you need to add your music, you need to add your background videos, or a background image you actually want to use. All right, so probably you did not have a recorded audio just like this. Okay, you could use text to speech. That is, all you need to do is to type in your text. Once you type in your text, probably let's hello, hello, welcome, welcome to Femtech Studio. Welcome to Femtech Studio. Okay. Once that is done, then it says which language you actually want to use. Probably name those. Once I select on this first.
Hello, my name is Adrian. You can pick me as your text-to-speech human-like voice.
Now you notice it's not saying what we have here. The reason is because we've not clicked on import speech. Okay, so let's see it. So if I should select that now, then select play.
Hello, welcome to Femtech Studio.
So you can see now it has imported the speech to rhyme with that character. So peradventure I might use the character, but I decide to change the voice of the character. I might use someone else. Okay, and select play audio.
Hello, welcome to Femtech Studio.
Okay, probably select import speech and see again.
Hello, welcome to Femtech Studio.
So you notice once I change the actor from here, I still need to select import speech so that it will rhyme with the new actor that I just imported, right? Okay, so doing so, probably that is you have your speech, or you actually want to use a video record. You can as well start recording from your system or from your phone, just like that, by selecting on the record button and start recording whatever you record and select stop. All right, or if you already have a a record that you've created so far, okay, that you've treated probably using a software, then you could just import it. Okay, or a video record that your client has given you. Okay, hi guys, thanks for coming, thanks for joining, really appreciate you guys. Okay, so like I was still saying, we're still on a video robot. Okay, you've not missed that much. So like I said, the media library is where you import your videos, your image. Let's see it. So select media library. After you select this, then select from library. So once you do that, once you select from library, so it will bring out the audio, like the template audio used by VideoRobot. Okay, so if you click on it and select that button to play it.
Looking for a local pet grooming service for your dog or cat?
So you notice it's more or less sound like a human-like voice, right? So there are many more to use. Probably you want to upload yours, just select my media, select this, which is my media. So once you select my media, okay, once you select my media, then it says empty, right? No problem, select upload new media. So once you select upload new media, just select on it, then it will ask you which one do you want to upload. Is it video, image, or audio? Probably I want to import audio. I will select audio. I want to import image, I will select image. I want to import video, I will select video. Okay, and remember, this image imported could be used as the background image. All right, so let's start with image, because that's the main question. How do you change the background? So select browser file, browse file, and select. So once you select browse file, it will ask you which one you want to use. Do you want to take a camera shot of it, or do you want to use a video recorder, probably a video you've recorded so far, or you want to do a video record of it, then send it as a video, or a video or image of audio you've worked on in another software, you actually want to import it. So I think that is the best way. So file, select file. Okay, so once you select file, just let it give it time to load up. So from here it will take you to any wherever. So just select this button at that top there. Once you select the button, scroll up. Okay, so try to locate where you create your video you actually want to use, or the image you want to import. So as for me, I could just select image. So once I select image, then I could locate where I have that image I actually want to use, or just select recent. So from the recent, I can as well select image. So image, simply this one simply means whatever image I have on my phone will be displayed here for me to use. Okay, as I can select, once I select image now, I actually want to just see images alone. I don't want to see audio, I don't want to see videos. Select image, probably look for one that I can actually use. Okay, let me see something nice. Okay, I actually went to a wedding party last week Saturday. Okay, so probably just select on that. So immediately it will bring out the title of that image or video or audio. You can as well change it here, so that for you to have an identification of the video you're actually using. Okay, because once you upload it, it saves it in your media library for you to use in your nearest videos. All right, so once that is done, hi guys, thanks for coming, thanks for dropping by, I really appreciate. All right, so you are free to ask me any question. Okay, so once I'm done with this, then I can attend to your question. Okay, so from here, once this is done, we have the image uploaded, and you can see this is the title, and this is it given to you as a title there. So what I always prefer to do is I could have renamed that image on my device or on my laptop. Okay, then once I upload it, it will bear that same name that I want to use, that I can easily use to identify it in the nearest future. So now select submit. So it depending on the speed of your system. Okay, depending on the speed of your system, and then from there it asks me that I want to upload another one or what. No, I'm not actually uploading another one again. So from there, I think the media has been added. I think I just cancelled it, right? Like seriously, that really just cancelled it. Okay, so let me just be fast about that. Image, browse file. Okay, files. Okay, so images only. Then look at one I could actually use. Okay, probably use the two couples. Okay, or actually use my own image here. Okay, so once I use my image, then select submit. Okay, so from here, now this is done. So what I can now do is select OK, or I can still import more medias by selecting the media, this upload button here. All right, so from there select OK. So when I select OK, now a media has been added. All right, so this might not look the way you want it to be, but I'll actually show you. I'm just trying to put you through so you can understand it the more. Then it asks you music disabled, choose a background music clip. So if you select on this one, this is disabled now, so if you select on it, probably you want a background music, it will ask you media library. Then you could select any of the background music you actually want to use, okay, or you select on your media library. All right, so what I prefer to do is, since I'm creating the background music by myself, I have it myself, I will not upload it here, because if I want the character to talk and I want the audience to listen to what the character is saying, I have to have a control over the volume of the character, of the music and the character also. So what I do is use an editing software or an editing application on the phone. I make use of KineMaster or InShot to do that, or I make on my system, I make use of Adobe Premiere or Camtasia, okay, to do the editing, or you can as well use Photoshop to do the video editing, but it depends on the software you find it more interesting to use. So for here, I will not use the I prefer not to import any background clip or music for now, so just disable that. All right, so once that is done, the next thing to do is select next step. So from the next step, now here comes adding a logo. As you can see, adding a logo, okay, then the position of the logo and the background is and that thing again. So here is and that one again. So let us look at it now so you understand it the more. Okay, the first one we did was the image, right? So that image can as well be used as the background. Okay, so don't get me to do not be confused, just watch and see. So let's start with the media library first. That is the logo that I actually want to use. Okay, so this is the template that is available on their site. Okay, so I don't want to use their own template. I actually want to upload something of myself. So initially, this is one I've used before, okay, which I uploaded my own logo, okay, which I uploaded my own logo there, and I think someone else. Okay, so you notice the image I imported before was imported here immediately, which I did not see, but it's now added in my media library. Okay, and this is also the second picture of this is myself that actually was imported. So last week Saturday was a wedding of my colleague in church. Okay, so those of you that greeted me, congratulations, yeah, thank you, but it was not actually my wedding, it was a friend wedding. Do not worry, I will invite you guys when it's my own time, okay, but very soon. Now, since we're adding a logo, okay, logo must take the caption of either your company or the company of that your representative. Okay, so I'll be using this, but this is a JPEG. I should have make use of a PNG, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'll be using a JPEG and not a transparent background. Okay, PNG simply means something transparent, but JPEG doesn't give a transparent background. So that's the two difference between that. So once that is done, just select OK. So once you select OK, a media has been added. Then to ask you, where do you want to position it? Is it on the left or on the right? Well, I actually want to position it at the left, which I can still edit it. Then the next one is media library. Fine, your media library is now, do you want the background image, do you want to become a video, do you want to become a image, or what? Okay, and if you remember that video that you just watched where the character was talking about what is project management, that's you notice the slides going smoothly. That is a video which I just uploaded. Okay, I uploaded the video instantly, and from there I was just able to maneuver my way with it. Okay, so from there, just select on my media library, then select the video you actually want to use. So you notice, like I said, the video I used then was this, what is project management, which is what I used. Okay, but I have another one which I created just for the sake of this class, which I created using InShot. Okay, I just added pictures and render it. All right, so you can use any software to make your background image. So what I just wanted to do is to have series of background rolling at the same time. Okay, so browse file, I hope I'll be able to get it on time. So browse file, files. Okay, browse file, files, videos. So I'm only selecting videos only. So let me see if I can actually locate it, or better say move directly to the where I actually created it. So I use InShot. Okay, InShot. I think, I don't know if I've actually rendered it out. Probably, let me just see if I can just use this. Okay, but okay, unable to complete previous submission due to low memory. All right. Okay, probably because I'm using my system, my phone, but you can as well use that. So let me select. Oops, I hope it has not removed all my details so far. Okay, let me say again, media library, authentication field. Okay, authentication field simply means, let me refresh in it. It actually logged me out again, so I have to pause it for now and join you back again. Okay, so yeah, I am. Oh, I hope, really hope so. I've not been logged out from what I've been doing. Okay, let's see if it's actually safe what I've done so far. So let's see media. Okay, let's see media and see. Okay, so it has all what I've done so far. Okay, so what I can now do is, let me select my video and see. Okay, all right, so we have to start from from the beginning, but at a more faster rate now. Okay, so that I won't be logged out. They're actually doing this for security reasons, that's why it's like that. Okay, so just select this, then select next, then let me see. Like I said, you can just type in any any voice. Okay, so let's see, let me use my record voice now. Let me just record the voice. Allow. Okay, so I think I can't do that for now because I'm actually recording again at the same time, but nevertheless, just add your speech. Okay, hello, welcome to Femtech Studio. Welcome, or better still, don't let me use this. You know what, don't let me use this. Let me use from the media. Okay, so instead of using the speech, instead of using text to speech or audio, my video which I add in the background already have a voice. Okay, so that's, by doing so, I'm importing the video and the audio as well. Okay, so but for you, if yours is not like that, then you could also select text to speech or audio record, then select next step. Okay, it want me to add a what do you say, add a music or whatever. So okay, let me just select hello, uh welcome, welcome to Femtech Studio. I should have made use of a system, but I due to our power supply in Nigeria here, it's somehow okay. So I just have to just create this video using my phone, then select import speech. So the speech has been imported, then select next step, then select media library, media, my media, because that is a logo. So just select this one, then select OK. So scroll down, select OK. Then position is left, background library. So for the background library, like I'll just make use of the one I have here before, which is let me select what is project management. Okay, let me just use this. So for you, all you need to do is to select import. Okay, import your project, your background from here. Once you import it, you have it, then select next. Okay, I mean you select OK, just like this. So it will be imported. So once that is imported, then select. So once you select next, now here it is. So it says it's a little bit small, okay, but this what you are seeing here presently, what you are seeing here presently, I mean this what you are seeing here presently, I mean it should be at the at this uh should I call it the right hand or the left hand side, no, the right hand side. Okay, should be somewhere at this place if you're using a desktop. Okay, but nevertheless, so from here, what does it simply means? Okay, we have the background. If you are used to Photoshop, you should understand the layers. Okay, so let's look at this is what we call the photo. Okay, so the photo is not really here. Remember, the photo was a photo we actually use. So let me see, if I click on it like this, it will give me this icon, this three icon. Okay, so this first icon is to edit it. Probably you want to change the picture. Okay, the second icon, which is this, is to move it up or down, while the third icon is to delete it. Okay, so I only select this one because I actually want to just move it. So you notice it's now reviewing. Okay, so let's select apply. So if I select apply and I try to play it, see what happens. You notice it's not really showing. Okay, just trying to scroll. Oh my god, the moment please. Like, what is really going on? In the moment please. Probably my device is getting slow. Okay, so let's see. My prayer is not taking me back to this to the starting note. Okay, so from here we are. What is wrong? Okay, so you notice the background. So if I should play it now, let's see.
Hello,
Many
welcome
projects
to
fail
Femtech Studio.
because they are not up.
You notice I use a text to speech, and I said the project also has the video, also has a audio. That's why you are listening to two different two different you could hear two different speech. Okay, so I'm trying to play it again.
Hello,
Many
welcome
projects
to
fail
Femtech Studio.
because they are not appropriately.
Okay, so the duration of this is taken by the text that was included. Okay, the text that was, I mean, the text to speech that was added to the character. Okay, so for this, I actually talked about use this how to use this software using in the first tutorial. Okay, now the reason why I'm able to explain all this one is because of the little space we have. Okay, so what I'm just trying to say now is this is the photo that I actually want to shift up. Okay, so let's see if we bring it thus and drag it up. Okay, trying to take it up. Okay, move up. It's not allowing me to move it up, so you could just drag it up. Oh my god, let me see in a moment, please. Let me see if I can drag the actor down. I can drag the actor. Okay, I can't really drag the actor down, probably because of the so moving up and down will tell you this is the background. Okay, then from the background you have the actor, from the actor you have the image. So if we should play this, okay, let me see, still doing the same thing again. Okay, if we should play this, at least we should have everything showing. If everything is not showing, okay,
Hello,
Many
welcome
projects
to
fail
Femtech Studio.
because they are not appropriately.
okay.
Hello,
Many projects
welcome to
fail.
Coming now, we will try to change the background of this also as well. Okay, we'll try to change the background also so you can see. So from here now, you notice the order of arrangements. Okay, the order of arrangement is you have the photo, which is this, which is highlighted as you can see, which is the logo. You have the actor, which is also highlighted now. Okay, that is the actor standing, and you have the background. So it means the rule of thumb is whatever you want it to be as a background image, let it be the back. Okay, let it be at the last one. Okay, so which you can see. So you start from the first layer, second layer, and third layer. So it means you want you want to input your background first, then you add your actor. So your actor will be on the layer, of the background, and your photo will be on the layer of the actor and the background. Okay, so it's just a rule of thumb. But in Photoshop, the one that comes first is the one that appears, but thus in this one, the one that comes last is the one that actually what appears in the front. Okay, so just try to get used to that. All right, so how do we change the background of this? It's quite simple, no big deal there. Okay, I'll still be creating more tutorial on this using using the system also. So how do you change the background? Very simple, just select on background. Okay, then select on this pencil icon, select on the pencil icon, which is this. Okay, once you select on the pencil icon, then to bring out a pop-up that you actually want to change it. Okay, am I time out again? Yes, I'm time out once again. Okay, so I'm going to pause it here again. So sorry. All right, guys. So that is that. Now let's not say you have a video you've created or from a template, and you are trying to see how to work on it. Okay, just like this one now. Let me select on the edit button. Okay, so you can see it comes up and it asks me which one do you want to use. Just select next. Okay, we're actually moving to the editing preview. Just select next. Okay, so here we are. So at what do you call it, at Ijoma, sorry for pronouncing your name wrongly. How to change the background? Remember I told you the background is the one that will be at the back, just like a wheel of thumb. Okay, so this is the background which you could actually what just change. Select the pencil. Then once you select the pencil, it will load up some background. Then you can as well probably use this, or you create more, or you use any other one you prefer. So let me use something that is different. Let me use this. Okay, so if I use that and I select okay, so what do you see? You notice the background has been changed. All right, so once the background is being changed, then you could play and test it out.
Searching for business services? Then contact our efficient and expert team to find out more about our various services created to meet your exact needs.
So you guys, you could see how to actually change the background of a video. Even though using a template, you can as well change the background of the video. All by doing is selecting on the background. Once you select on the background, then select on the pencil, the pencil icon. Once that is done, then you get it changed. Then you can as well tweak other things here. But mind you, if you are using a template, you won't be able to create any animation that is above the text, the speech. Okay, and that's why I prefer you using a an audio. That's why I prefer using creating yours from the blank, from the scratch. Okay, so once you create yours from the scratch, you have no problem with this software. All right, so in case you have any question, you could feel free to ask me, and in the next class, which I promise then, is to show you how to monetize your videos. Okay, by God grace, that will be the next video. Okay, so this video just came in because of my members. Okay, and if you are yet to join us, you can as well join the Femtech studio, where you meet other creators who are willing to get the software. You join hands together and get the software. Then you'll be given a login details for your own personal group, which you have access to use that their site as long as possible, and it's just a one-time payment, and it is free from watermark. All right guys, okay, so we that is that about that for today. It's almost an hour creating this video. Okay, so thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate you guys. See you next time. Bye for now.